Hi, welcome to Nailelf. In this video, I will teach you how to customize your unique nail art on Nailelf. First, click the Custom Now button to enter the customization page. Then you can see the 3D preview, model and the option to upload patterns for each nail, and the option to enter the nail size. At this time you can click to upload the pattern you want to customize into nail art to the nail piece design box. Adjust the angle and size you want in the design box. Note, the pattern displayed in the design box will be the pattern displayed on the real nail art. The error between the real product and the nail piece design drawing will not exceed 1%. Therefore, be sure to adjust the pattern angle you want. Click OK after the adjustment is completed. You will be able to view the effect of your design in the 3D preview model. You can adjust it if you are not satisfied. Then enter the size data of your corresponding real fingernail in the corresponding nail size option. You will customize the same size nail piece according to the size of each of your fingernails in order to achieve the most perfect match with your nails. So, be sure to fill in the correct size after measuring. If you don't know how to measure the size of your nails, please check our size measurement guide, size customization guide. We assume that the design of the left and right hands is the same. If you want them to be different, you can select No, and repeat the steps for the left hand. After the design is completed, you can preview the 3D design again to ensure the best effect, confirm that there are no problems, and complete the order. After a few days of waiting, you will have a unique nail art set that belongs to you. Okay, isn't it simple? When Nailelf receives the order, we will make your nail art order within 1 to 3 days and send it to your mailing address via international logistics. If you have any questions during the process, you can contact us by email or online customer service. This is all our nail art customization tutorials. I hope it can help you. Bye bye.